Hey, it's Aran here. In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the trademark or copyright symbol to systeme.io as part of text. So let me share my screen and show you how it's done. So we are in systeme.io and we are here as in a demo account. And you can see here there is text. Now, obviously, if you go to your keyboard, if you were to try to do like the C icon or the T icon for trademark or something like that, nothing is going to happen. So what you want to do is you look at the text element. You're going to go to friendly Google. You're going to type in trademark symbol. This will then pop up this once. So you can just click into any page, doesn't really matter. And then you will see, for example, if you scroll down, you will actually find any of these type of icons. So you can find this one. This is obviously a picture. So you want to find the actual symbol somewhere. TM, there you go. So you can look at this. You can see this, I'm highlighting it. Now I'm going to right click, I'm going to click on copy, I'm going to go back to system, I'm going to paste it in, and here it is. Now let's just say this is actually a different color. I can actually change it to a different color. And note that I can actually change the R to something else. Now the same aspect with the sizing is going to work the same way. So if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. All that good stuff, that's totally up to you. Same thing if you want to get another symbol. So this is the R symbol. And we're going to get a different type of symbol. So let's just go back and we're going to type in copyright. Oops, copyright symbol. And then you see the C, you're just going to copy it, right click, copy, go back to the editor, paste it in, and now you've got the C symbol. Note that the colors are different. All you got to do is click into it and then change the color, and then you can have it all done that way. So that's how you create all this. Watching this tutorial, if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment with the word value. And somewhere around here, you'll see a playlist of systeme.io tutorials and additional tutorials that you might find helpful regarding systeme.io. Thanks a lot for watching. Really appreciate you. Speak to you soon.